Welcome to Photo Quick Tips with Andrew Shin. I'm working on wedding albums today, and I thought I'd let you into my process a little bit. I'm working here in Adobe InDesign CS5, and I'm designing one of our signature fine art wedding albums. These are beautiful albums that have a leather cover, ripped edges, velvet cream pages, custom end papers. It's a really nice product, but it does take a little bit of time for the layout. So here I am in Adobe Bridge CS5. This is the source of our pictures. I'm going to select a few images here and place them over in InDesign. I've set up a custom keyboard shortcut in Bridge CS5 so that I hit Command P on the Mac and I automatically get the place command. The cursor is loaded with all 7 of those images. I'm just going to draw them out on the page here, about that size. And you notice the smart guides are helping me to size them precisely. I'll go back and straighten out the positioning later, but for now just want to make sure I get the sizes right. There we go. Hit Command Z to undo there. I didn't get the right size dragged out. Alright. And one more picture should be of the bride and her mom. Perfect. Alright, I'm gonna click and drag to select these top 3 images, and up here in the Align panel here, or in the options bar, I'm going to choose distribute the vertical center of these three pictures. That's great. I'm going to line them up right in the middle of that page. You can see my smart guides again kicking in. Here we go. I'll line these 2 up here. Again, I'll distribute these so that they're perfectly in alignment with the pictures above. And that's looking pretty good. Alright. I may actually tighten the spacing up just a little bit here. And I'm using the keyboard shortcuts just to nudge these a bit. And I'll select all of these, and I'll apply an object style. I want a black stroke on these. That's looking pretty good. I'm going to go back over to Bridge here to select a source image for the next page. I'll mark these as used in the art book. These are custom keywords that I have set up, and if you notice over here on the left, there's a filter bar set up. I've filtered these into only photos that have the to use in art book keyword applied. As soon as I uncheck that keyword and then give Bridge a minute to work, it should make all of those pictures not visible anymore. So you see them disappearing one by one. I'm going to make one more page here on the right side of that last spread, and I'm going to use these 2 photos. This time I'm going to place these in InDesign without the keyboard shortcut that I've set up. So I'll go File, Place in InDesign, and I'm going to use the arrow key to cycle between the 2 photos that I have selected. So I'm using the right arrow key. I'll drag out a nice big box here. Perfect. Just kind of smaller image here. I'll scoot this one up to the top of the page so that it's perfect. Move this down a little bit, and I'm going to select this and change the opacity to 50%. So the photo is still there, but a little more of a presence than and not so overwhelming. There's the object style setup, so this should look similar to those. And I think I'm done. Thanks for watching.